everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of blurry pictures on Instagram. Follow these simple steps to ensure your images look sharp and clear. Poor internet connections can cause Instagram to compress your images more than usual. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or reset your router to improve your upload speed. This helps Instagram retain better image quality. Next, make sure you're uploading images in the highest quality. Go to your profile, settings, data usage, and toggle on high quality uploads. This will help Instagram avoid compressing your pictures too much. And if the original picture is low quality, Instagram will compress it even more. Always try to upload images with higher resolution. For best results, use photos that are at least 1080 by 1080 pixels. The next step is to update Instagram. Outdated versions of Instagram can cause bugs, including blurry uploads. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any updates. Keeping Instagram updated ensures the latest bug fixes are in place. Finally, crop the right aspect ratio. Instagram compresses images that don't fit its format. Resize your picture to 4:5 for vertical posts or 1:1 for square posts before uploading. This way, Instagram won't need to over-compress your image. And that's it. By following these steps, you will be able to fix the issue of blurry pictures on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!